If your Pioneer 4K Xumo TV's speaker is not working, the sound is muffled, unclear, has low volume, or only one side works, or the built-in speaker has no sound at all, then here's how you troubleshoot your Xumo TV's built-in speakers. First of all, make sure that you have turned up your TV's volume adequately. And also, if you're using an app that has no sound, then try opening and using a different app. But in case you can't hear sound in any app, then make sure that your TV is not connected to a different audio source, such as an HDMI home theater or a Bluetooth speaker. If that wasn't the issue, or you're still having audio problems, such as unclear or muffled sound, then we'll need to check our Xumo TV's audio settings. For that, we'll need to open up the settings panel, then go to Picture and Sound, and Audio Settings. Then if you're hearing muffled sound, you can try lowering the bass enhancer, and toggling on or off Dolby volume, and make sure built-in speaker is not turned off. If it's off, then you won't be able to use your TV speakers. If this didn't help, then from here you can also reset all your TV sound settings, and this should fix any issues related to customized settings. If the problem persists, then sometimes this can happen because of some minor software glitches, and you can fix that by cold booting or soft resetting your Xumo TV. You will just need to unplug its power cord, wait for 3 to 5 minutes, then plug your TV back in. Unfortunately, if the TV speaker still doesn't work, then there may be some hardware issues, and in that case you should contact customer support. And that's all for this video. Let us know which step worked. If this helped, you can drop a like, subscribe to our channel to support us, and I'll see you around.